Hey guys, I'm back for another game development video. This time I'm actually revealing a new game that a new mobile game I've been working on since December of last year, the last week of December. It's really been my first time developing a game, both in Unity and as my first mobile game. So basically, it's called Bookworm. It's essentially a snake-like game where you go around as a worm that eats letters to get larger. It's just as an easy test. And if you're wondering why my cell phone's in frame, it's because I'm going to be testing the accelerometers for the game, so you can see how the game tilts. Since you can control the game basically by tilting your mobile device to have the worm move in a given direction. So let's get right to it. So here, so it's going to load right up in Unity. Yeah, so basically, I've already added two modes, time attack and free play. And basically, we'll be doing free play. But basically, this is what you'll see if you're on a mobile device when it comes up, like so. Now, the music you hear in the background is actually is AI generated. It's been generated by Suno AI. Basically, your objectives here is to eat the active letter W, which will restore a letter or give you a body segment, and complete the words of power. In this case, knock is the current word of power. Once it's completed, it'll give me 3 body segments at that point. So just run around, go eat it. Now, I have been debating on if I should get the less tilt, or set it to where not as much tilt is needed to get the worm to move faster in a given direction. So I just need 2 Ks. And also, eating one of the letters on the word of power will also give you a segment as well. So see, it gives me several segments at that point. Yeah. R. And I think it had V as one of them too. So you can see a V, K, or there's a K. K, N. There we go. Event. E. E. Or is it VTN? UA. So I need 2 V's. Oh, there's one. So yeah, and with by design, I have like a whole library of words that it can pull from, and I think it's about 500 currently, but I was planning on adding like 3,000 or so. So that basically means you almost never get the same word twice. Let's see. Oh, there's one. Joker is the next one. I can also eat there's a word, active letter. E. B, J, O, or K. Oh, there's the K. And yeah, I decided to go for floating, like neon colors floating in a void, pretty much as an aesthetic choice. I thought it was pretty good. There's the J. Oh, there's the O. There it is. So, X, nice. L, and oh, there's the L. Yeah, so basically, all movement in the game is handled by the accelerometers on your mobile device. So just by tilting the device, you'll move the worm in the given direction that you want him to go. And I was considering adding additional modes to the game, just as something else you can do more than just floating around eating letters. But I'm still like working that out. See what else you can. Oh, there's yes. Working out to see how it would go with what I've got so far. R. There's the L. Oh, there's the A. Now, one of the other modes I was definitely had in mind is having one where it's a survival mode where you have to compete with other enemy worms to eat letters, and you can attack them and eat them, and they can lose their segments. But that's a whole thing. Down, nice. S, T, and G. S, it's T and G now. T, G, nice. Let's just go straight down. And you can see how long the tail's gotten so far with everything I've eaten. Currently, the tail segment length, the total number of segments you can have on a worm is 100. But I was considering adding more. But it really does come down to how much processing. Because if there are too many characters, there's about like 500. I think about 500 letters. I might have actually reduced it on the board at any given time. And the game is constantly repopulating it. And if you're wondering, I am considering making a video specifically in regards to Suno AI regarding music development for video games. Just to see, but I've been looking at how that might be affected by copyright claim, if people can try to copyright claim it, etc. And based off of that, there's a why. Two more Y's. Okay. There's one. D. There's the other Y. There we go. Yeah. Two R's and a J. One R. Two R's. Now, one thing you can do, as soon as you eat another one of the letters, another letter gets populated somewhere else on the map. So sometimes if you don't see what you're looking for, you can just eat the letter and hope that through random chance it'll spawn the letter you're looking for on the map somewhere. Oh, there's the X. V, A, or P? Oh, there's the CO. P, F, F and A. There's the A. F somewhere. There it is. If you're wondering, the sound effects, while the background music is AI generated, I actually did the sound effects myself. It's been quite an experience, actually. Now, what I'm hoping to do at some point in time, going forward with the game development side, I'm hoping to do a little more, a few more small projects like this. So rather than having the big, the grand videos for like Starshot Onslaught, like I've been doing, I'll have like smaller ones, smaller projects that can be completed pretty much in a year or so, or at least like 1 year with enough planning. What was it? H or an N? Back here. Where are you going? Forget it, I'll just eat this one. There we go. X. N, E, or L. Again. Of course, your score goes up consecutively for which, depending on which letters you use, of course. Well. No, I just need L. There it is. There it goes. I think this is a good showcase for the game itself. It's been a pretty good project. I'm hoping to do a few more updates. I've even been looking at how to get it on the Google Play Store. I've actually created a Google Play account, a developer account, to see if I could, what steps are needed to try to get it on there. So maybe at some point in time, you'll actually see it on the Google Play Store. I think I need like 20 not developers, but 20 testers at some point. So I'm still looking into that. But yeah, I think this has been a pretty good project. Thanks for watching.